Hi everyone, I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. The way how Chinese people make cucumber salad is to crush them first. Believe it or not, it tastes the best. Make sure you use either these mini or these long skinny cucumber because they have tender seeds, which works great for this recipe. If you're using this feather kind of cucumber, you may want to remove the seeds first. As the name suggested, the most important step is to smash the cucumber. I'm using a cleaver. The wide blade and the heavy-duty weight makes it perfect for this job. If you don't have a cleaver, you can use a rolling pin, a meat tenderizer, or your fist. Just smash with quite a lot of force until the cucumber starts to split along the length. The smashing creates lots of bruises, which allows the seasonings to infuse into the cucumber. That's why it tastes so good. Even if you're not making this recipe, you should always use this technique for other cucumber salad. Cut the cucumber diagonally into 2 inches long pieces. For those of you who are wondering where did I get this cleaver, it is part of a knife set that I recently launched at an affordable price. If you want to buy it, check the link in the description. Season the cucumber with 3/4 teaspoon of salt, toss thoroughly, and set it aside for 15 minutes. During this time, you can grate 2 cloves of garlic finely. Raw garlic has a pungent, spicy flavor, so don't use too much. 2 cloves are plenty, otherwise it will overpower the fresh taste of the cucumber. Dice a little bit of cilantro. Here are some diced Thai bird-eye chilies. If you don't eat spicy food, you can skip the chilies and the chili oil that we're about to add. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot chili oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. For the authenticity, I suppose to use Chinese black vinegar, but consider most of you don't have access to buy this ingredient. I'm actually using the apple cider vinegar because a bit of fruity taste pairs well with the fresh cucumber. Half teaspoon of sugar. This will not make the dressing sweet, but it will balance the sour taste. Last, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. By now, the salt should draw out some moisture from the cucumber. Lightly squeeze and discard the excess liquid. Otherwise, it will dilute the seasoning. Mix the cucumber with the dressing and toss thoroughly. This side dish is simple, but delivers in flavor. You can prepare it in no time, and you don't even need to turn on your stove. This is the best cucumber salad because it will be gone as soon as you put it on the table. Me alone, I can eat twice as much and still feel like not enough. You can make this salad ahead of the time. Just keep the cucumber and the dressing separate in the fridge. Mix it right before serving. I hope you give this a try soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!